Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, privacy glass. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.